I, V. Somanna, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithful and consistently discharge my duty as a Minister of State for the Union, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear and favor, affection in or ill will. I, V. Somanna, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any manner which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a Minister of State for the Union, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Minister of State.
Dr. Chandrasekhar Pema Sani.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನೀವಿನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ.